Hi, it's Jason here from Weekend RV Adventures. In this video, we're going to take a look at some bug remover that I just picked up on Amazon. I was looking for some RV wash and wax, and also decided to look for some bug remover. So I've got this box here. It just came today. Let's go ahead and get it open. And this box is pretty much all gear I've got for camping. I've got some patio stakes or some patio rug stakes for my Arrow Weave rug. We had purchased a new larger rug and I needed some more stakes for those. I've got the Thetford Premium Wash and Wax, and that's one of my favorite washes. I also have an accessory kit here for a GoPro or any other action camera. I just picked one up from a friend, a used one, and I'm going to give it a shot, but I needed some accessories. And here's the one we're going to focus on today's video. This is called Bugs and All Multi-Purpose Vehicle Cleaner. It comes with a small bottle of concentrate, a spray bottle that'll make, I believe, the concentrate will make 2 of these full bottles. So I'm going to go ahead and get this out, get it mixed up, and we'll test it out on the front of the camper and see how well it works at removing all those bugs. Well, I just mixed it up. It was pretty simple. There's a line right on the concentrate bottle showing where the halfway point is. So they say just to fill 3/4 of the spray bottle with water, pour the half bottle of concentrate in, and then top it off and shake it. So I've done that. I also took a look at the instructions, and it recommends this for bug splatters, for oxidation, and for black streaks. And it looks like for bug splatter, they say 30 seconds to 2 minutes sitting before you clean it off. So I'm going to go ahead and we'll get it sprayed on there and see how it does. I just applied the solution to one side of the front cap of my camper and moved the camera, went and got a paper towel. Now we'll go ahead and wipe it off and see how it does. Okay, after that first wipe, I'd say it got about 75% of the bugs right off without any hard scrubbing. So I'm going to go back and give it a second spray and hit the bugs that didn't come off, and maybe give it a little more elbow grease this time, and we'll see what happens. Well, after that second application of the Bugs and All cleaner, I'd say 90% of the bugs are gone, and I'd say I'm pretty happy with it. I know last time I cleaned my camper, I just used regular car wash, and I was scrubbing for a while and couldn't get half the bugs off the front cap. So again, that's ProSol Bugs and All. There's the bottle, and I'll put a link to that in the description, but I just gave it a try for the first time. I'm pretty impressed. I'm not getting paid, or this is no endorsement. I just found it on Amazon, had good reviews, and decided to try it. So if you want to try it for yourself, go ahead, use the link in the description, and I'll get a small commission for that. Won't cost you any more. If you don't want to use the link, that's cool too. But thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Go ahead and check out the channel. I talk about other camping gear, camping tips, some of the adventures we go on. So if you like it, subscribe to the channel and give the video a thumbs up. We'll see you again soon.